Naturalistas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith, and in today's video we are going to be doing a orange perm rod set on my natural 4B hair. Just take 1 second, go down below, click the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me, and thumbs up this video if you like this type of content. Now let's get this video started. I'm starting this style off on freshly washed hair, which I highly recommend for great results. So for my first product of choice, I will be using the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Y'all, this smells amazing. You guys have to try it. This leave-in conditioner is a lightweight type 4 hair product you'll love. It adds shine and prevents frizz, and is made for thick curly hair. I am just going to be raking that throughout the length of my hair. Nothing special, no parts, just rubbing it from the ends to the roots and the roots to the ends. I will be starting off with this back section and splitting that into 2 so I can make sure it is nice and even. I'm just going to be grabbing my fake replica Denman brush. It was cheaper. Your girl ain't had no money for no real Denman brush, you get it. So I'm just going to brush my ends, middle, and I'm making sure to really get my roots. You need this piece to be very, very detangled. As for my second product of choice, I will be using the Lottabody Wrap Me Foam and Mousse. I love this product. I purchased mine from Sally's for $3.79. Yes, it is very cheap and it's a gem. You can use it for wash and goes, twist outs, perm rods, flexi rods. It truly is a versatile product. Applying the foam and mousse, I want to make sure I rake it in with my hands, smooth it in, brush it in with the Denman brush, and make sure my ends are fully coated. I take this perm rod, match it up to the end of my hair, and wrap my ends all the way around until it's smooth. Then I'm going to start the wrapping motion inwards, very smooth. Take your time, don't rush. As you can see here, the end popped off just like 10 others. When I tell y'all I was so irritated, this video almost didn't make it. Now, I was gonna leave it out and have this video look all perfect, but I had to show you. Pop, just like that, for like the 4th time.
2 hours later.
After try 1 million, kajillion, zillion, million and one, I finally got it. Your girl was on a roll, but by that time I realized I might as well just film the front of my hair so it could be more beneficial to y'all. But your girl got it. Don't give up, keep on trying. Just as I did in the other sections, I'm going to be putting in my leave-in conditioner, rubbing it throughout the length of my hair, then I'm going to be parting. Now, for this section, like any other section during this hairstyle, it needs to be detangled and smoothened out from the rooter to the tutor. Now for the good part. Y'all see how I'm pulling my hair really, really, really tight, making sure it's straight, and I'm wrapping my ends, smoothing them on that perm rod. This is where paying close attention to details matters. Section, I'm just going to do a spiral curl and whirl and twirl all the way to the roots. Then I'm going to just clamp it on. Now the next section. You guys comment down below if I'm the only one that struggled with perm rods. Please let me know that I am not the only one. Alright y'all, before I start speeding things up and getting along with the video, I'm just going to show you guys one more time. I'm just going to detangle after I added the Lottabody Foam and Mousse. Gonna grab that rod, girl, get that rod, stretch that hair out, wrap it, make sure you lay them ends, get them ends, lay that flat, start rolling up, take your time, don't rush, roll, be careful with your edges, you don't want to do it too tight. Don't blame me if you pulling too tight, because I told you, girl, make sure you watch out for your edges. I don't need nobody coming for me because they missing their edges after this perm rod tutorial. I told you, girl, watch out for your edges. what it turned out looking like. For my takedown process, I will be using the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend to prevent frizz and to make sure that my moisture is all locked in. I'm just going to be pressing that all over my hair. Then I'm going to start unraveling in this back section. Okay, so when you're unraveling, you want to make sure you go the opposite direction of the spiral and make sure you take your time. You want to prevent less frizz as possible. Alright y'all, time for the fun part, separation. I'm just going to be putting a section of my hair up just to get it out of the way, and let's get into separating. As you see here, I'm grabbing it and separating it where it naturally wants to separate. I'm not going to go into it 20 million times trying to separate it. Then you're going to end up with a frizz ball and all your work is going to go to the trash. You really want to take your time with separating. This gives you the best results. I am making sure to take my time, separate and twirl the hair around my fingers to ensure that my hair stays defined and frizz free. Turned out so bouncy, shiny, and defined, y'all. I am more shocked than anybody else right now. But that is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you found this video funny or informative in any sort of way, make sure you guys leave me a thumbs up and join the Naturalista crew by hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video.